This is tropical vibe. Yeah, tropical vibe. It's taking me to cloud nine. Yes. Hi family, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back everyone. If this is the first time that you are clicking on my face, my name is Chi and I concentrate on fashion and pretty much anything I would love to talk about right here. If it sounds like what you are kind of like interested into, go ahead, hit the subscribe button down below, become part of this my little grand family. Let's be friends. And to my returning subscribers, you guys know I heart you. Thank you guys for coming back. Today I do have a fragrance unboxing, and this fragrance is right here. This fragrance is from Hauts of Sillage. This video is kindly sponsored by Hauts of Sillage. If you want to see this fragrance that I picked out, stick around. This is the box right here. It is a very cute box with this white ribbons that has the Hauts of Sillage inscriptions on it. So just take it up. It just look at the box. It's a nice sturdy box. So you just open it up from here. We see the brand's name right there, Hauts of Sillage. Go ahead and open it up. And so the fragrance sits right in here. Oh my god, it comes in another box and pretty much the same as this big one, but a smaller version. It has Hauts of Sillage right there, and just open it up like so. Oh my goodness. This is the fragrance right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and take it out. Look at this fragrance. It is so gorgeous. Almost like a cupcake. Okay, a cupcake. So before I talk about the particular fragrance that I picked out, I just want to talk a little bit about Hauts of Sillage. Hauts of Sillage has been around for quite a while, and they have collaborated with some of the big brands out there like 20th Fox Century, Warner Brothers, and of course Disney. Like the Disney collections, oh my god, chef kiss. And I'm saying that because I own one. Okay, so this is not my first Hauts of Sillage fragrance. I have already been purchasing Hauts of Sillage fragrances before I got this, so I know what I'm talking about. Okay, I know what I'm talking about. Hauts of Sillage pays homage to the tradition, the artistry, and the craftsmanship of their classic perfume. This fragrance that I picked out is called Hauts Bijoux, and as you can see, it is engraved with a lot of crystals on it. And right here you can see it says Hauts of Sillage. The brand was the first to infuse the use of jewelries. All the fragrances are made in France and USA, including this fragrance. The caps are polished and plated with precious metals. So you can see right there it says Hauts of Sillage and the name is Hauts Bijoux. Each cap is adorned with hand-placed Swarovski crystals. These crystals are put in place by experienced jewelers. All of the fragrances are perfume grade and in their highest quality. Okay, so I just love the ombre effect that the bottle has. Like again, I said it is made like a cupcake. And ooh, let's go ahead and spray this out. Okay, so spraying this fragrance, I can get that fresh mango scent of this fragrance. It's very unique, it's very soft, it's very refreshing, and extremely memorable. It has a distinctive scent. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna say. Now take note that everyone have like different body chemistry. So I feel like if you like soft floral tones, this fragrance will definitely work well for you. It's a sweet and tropical fragrance. So like this is ideal for tropical vacations, not just the tropical vacation, but basically it's a sweet and tropical fragrance. And it has notes of grapefruits and mango. When I spray it, I can get that mango scent, a lot of the mango scent, a very tiny hint of the grapefruit, but like mixed together. So the size of this bottle is 75 ml. You see like each cap is adorned with like 158 Swarovski crystals. Like, it's so amazing because the crystals are like, they're quite tiny. I don't know if you can see them, and they're like around here. Wow, it's so gorgeous. This is a takeaway fragrance for me. This is a heavy tropical fragrance. Okay, I can definitely use this in the summer because summer is summer. Okay, so this is for me will be like summer fragrance, heavy on the tropical vacation kind of vibe fragrance. So if I'm going to any kind of tropical vacation, I would definitely throw this into my luggage because it's giving that vibe, it's giving that scent. You get what I'm trying to say? Let me know if you have ever tried any fragrances from Hauts of Sillage, or would you be trying any of the fragrances from Hauts of Sillage. I can tell you right now, the Passion More, I have used the fragrance to style a couple of my pieces from my closet, and that's one of my best from Hauts of Sillage, hands down. But this Hauts Bijoux, oh my god, I'm thinking about like a nice oil to kind of like layer this fragrance, make it last longer for the wear and test. I haven't done it, but I know that when I layer it with like an oil base, this fragrance will stay for a very long time. All right, family, let me know if you did love this quick Hauts of Sillage Hauts Bijoux fragrance unboxing. Let me know if you guys have ever tried any of the fragrances. Do you love it? Like, does it work with your body chemistry? Let's have a conversation down in the comment section down below. And like always, thank you, families. Thank you, lovelies, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care and remain blessed. Bye bye.